she ain't sympathetic.
So you're transplant today.
I know.
You have extraordinary technique.
I know.
Can I buy you a drink? I have rather extraordinary techniques myself.
You're not attracted to me. You think you are, but you're not. You're attracted to my skill and my confidence and maybe how hot I look with my hands on a heart. But mostly you're attracted to me because I'm not attracted to you.
Told her I couldn't see her anymore.
You did?
Whatever. I'll need another chip with issues.
Thank you. Alex? Alex? Will you take my sister home? Come on, she plays the trombone and whatever. Just take her home, please. Finish your painting.